Are you guys looking for a good multi-surface cleaner to take care of all your RV interior needs? If so, boom, check it out. One of the biggest places we use the multi-surface cleaner on is the floor. Hey guys, welcome back to Why Wait. Now, today is going to be just a short, quick video about GABE'S PRIDE multi-surface cleaner. For those of you who subscribe and follow us and watch our videos, you may know that a while back we teamed up with a company called GABE'S PRIDE. Now, they sent us some products. They wanted us to try them out. We gave them a shot. We tried them out for a few months. We were really impressed with everything. So we said, let's do this. We teamed up with them, and since then, we've been using their RV streaker, which is an outdoor RV cleaner for the roof, black streaks, bugs on the front cap, the whole 9 yards. That stuff is great, and we did do a video about that. I'll put a link up to that right here if you guys want to check out an excellent cleaner for the outside of the RV. Go watch that video. Stick around for this one first, and then maybe go check that out. We've also been testing out their bathroom cleaners, their cream cleanser, and we have videos on those as well. But today we're going to mainly focus on their multi-surface cleaner. So the GABE'S PRIDE multi-surface cleaner has been excellent. We use this just about everywhere inside the RV. We're talking the walls, the cabinets, the countertops on a daily basis, the appliances, fridge, stove. We also use this on the floor. We're going to talk about that and show you a little bit about that today. We've probably had this one bottle right here maybe 3 to 4 months now, and we're just running low on it. Now, stick around to the end of the video because I want to talk about the cleaning concentrate and show you how this works. We're going to talk about this a little bit. We actually just received this just in time because we're running low on this bottle. So just a little background about GABE'S PRIDE, just so you know kind of where the product is coming from and what they're all about. They've been making industrial strength products for over 50 years. It's a family run company out of New York, all, USA made products. And while they used to focus on the industrial side of things, now they're getting into the retail side of things. And one great thing about their products, they're all environmentally responsible. And the whole idea about GABE'S PRIDE is make cleaning fun again, or at least try to make cleaning fun again, as fun as it can be. Now, the whole idea behind that is let the cleaner do the work. If it's a good cleaner, if it's a high quality cleaner like they make, the cleaner should do the work, not your elbow grease, not you guys scrubbing it. So that's mainly what they focus on. Use the product, spray it on, let it dwell, let the product do the cleaning. You should just have to wipe. You shouldn't have to use elbow grease to clean everything. I mean, heck, if I put water on something and take a scrubby pad, I can pretty much clean anything. But that's not the idea behind GABE'S PRIDE. The whole idea for GABE'S PRIDE is it's a high quality cleaner, and that also means you're using less of it. So when you have a high quality cleaner, it's going to be doing the work. You don't have to keep using as much. You don't have to reapply. Like I said, this one container has lasted us about 4 months, and we use this on a daily basis on everything. It's our constant go-to. Every day we clean the counters, the fingerprints on the stove, on the fridge. We use it on the floors constantly. This product has been awesome. As full-time RVers for over 2 years now, I'm just going to take you through a few places that we use it on, that it's been excellent on, just so you guys have some ideas on everything you can use it on. Again, I've barely touched base. I mean, again, porcelain, grout, tile, laminate. Let's go ahead and let me show you a few places that we use it on right quick. So now don't go around judging because I let the place get a little dirty for a few days here. I wanted to show you how well the GABE'S PRIDE multi-surface cleaner works. So we're going to come over here to the stove, check out the stove, the fridge, going to show you the floors and show you a few areas that we just kind of use it on a daily basis and just show you kind of how well it cleans up. The basic RV stove, everyone has it. You can see it gets fingerprints, it gets streaky. As we look underneath here, it looks like we had some, I believe we had some water boil over the other day and caused that. We have grease all along here, grease splatters. So we're gonna just go ahead and knock that out right quick. So we just spray a little bit on. It definitely doesn't take a lot. Use a paper towel, or we just like to use a microfiber cloth that GABE'S PRIDE sent to us. And we just go through and just wipe it right down. And as you can see, it leaves a very nice streak-free, clean surface right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and fold this up and do underneath here. So I don't know about you guys, but this is usually one of our biggest problem areas. It's always a mess under here. These things are a pain in the butt to clean. We will take the GABE'S Pride, we will wipe this down. Just gonna spray it right onto the cloth. You can already see how nice that's coming out. All that grease is gone compared to this side where we haven't cleaned, and this side which I just wiped and went over really easy. Now on this harder area right here, you can see I'm scratching my nail into it. I'm gonna go ahead and spray with some cleaner. And I'm just gonna let that sit for a few minutes. I'm gonna let the cleaner do the work. Don't forget, if you guys like the video so far, help us out, help our channel grow, hit that like button. Please subscribe, and always ring that notification bell so you guys always get notified every time we have new videos coming out. Back to the stove. I actually let that product sit there just a few minutes. Let's go ahead and give that a wipe. Just wipe right around it. Listen. Look at that. I did not have to press at all. And you saw me earlier have to put my fingernail into that to get it off. And just like that, with a few passes of the cloth, it just comes right off. That's it, guys. Just finished wiping it down here. I mean, just stand back and check that out. And just what a difference. No hard scrubbing. Just let the product do the work. And we are set to go there. So one other place we like to use it is inside the fridge and our air fryer, which I'm going to show you in a second. This drawer, nice little dirty area. Let's spray it. Just a couple pumps in there. Let me get over here. Okay, we're going to let that sit for a few minutes and come right back. Okay, we had this sit in here for just a few minutes. Let's go ahead and just wipe it out. Just wiping up on this side right here. And hopefully, I mean, look at the difference. And again, I'm not scrubbing, I'm not using Brillo pad, not using hot soap or water, just letting the product do the work. And the air fryer. The air fryer tends to get greasy on top of here. The front of it gets really dirty. You can see in here, I haven't cleaned it in a while, and it gets pretty nasty. We use this air fryer for everything. Spray the rag. I hope you guys can see how clear that glass is after cleaning it and got that grease off. No hard scrubbing. Looks great on the outside, the top, the handle, no problems. Okay, one of the biggest places we use the multi-surface cleaner on is the floor. And I'm gonna show you right here. This is our dog dish station, and the messiest spot on the floor. Anybody who has dogs, their food, they drink, they drip water everywhere. Their feet, it's always the dirtiest area, and this is also our main walk through the camper. I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way, do a quick vacuum to get any loose stuff up. I'm just gonna show you how we mop the floor, so to speak, with the multi-surface cleaner. We got the floor just vacuumed up. I'm just gonna show you how we quick mop it. Sometimes we may just spot spray it, just spray down, take a microfiber cloth, wipe the area. If we're doing a full-on mop of the whole RV, we have this great pole that is actually on GABE'S Pride's website. This is the same pole that I used to clean the outside of the RV with. It extends super long, it's very high quality, and you can swap out the ends. So this right here just screws on, it swivels, and they have these pads which are also on their website. They're soft, but they also have this little bristle spot. Now I have two of these. I use one sometimes for the RV roof, and I use the other for our floor. And you just smack it, stick it right on there. It sticks, spray the floor, and just get on it. Now another great option is if you just have a Swiffer sweeper pole, we just take the microfiber cloth and we just push that in there and put it on there. You guys can just use that Swiffer pole to get it done with a microfiber cloth. The floor isn't like super dirty, and I'm not gonna be able to show you like a before and after. I mean, we don't have mud tracked in here or any kind of like, you know, black dirt or nothing like that. Just have to take my word for it that the cleaner does clean really well. Now, when we were camping in Nevada, we had an all asphalt campground, and no matter what we did, barefoot, flip-flops, that black asphalt would get tracked in on everything. And the floors were super dirty then. We needed to clean them daily, and that's where that multi-surface cleaner really came in handy. We would just spray it and just wipe it with a microfiber cloth, and it just cleaned up super great. Now, I hope you guys stuck around till the end of the video, and for those of you who are still here watching, I'm glad you did, because I want to talk about the GABE'S Pride, the cleaning concentrate. Now, what's cool about this is this little thing right here will make a whole gallon of the multi-surface cleaner. And it's kind of nice because it has a convenient way to measure it out. You just take your bottle, fill it up right here to the top with water, and then you can just squeeze this concentrate bottle, and when you squeeze it, the liquid is going to fill up into here and measure out exactly an ounce. And you finish that off by pouring it into the spray bottle, and you're all set. And that should last you a good long time. So if you guys did stick around, right now GABE's Pride is running a promo code offer, and they've been running it all summer, so depending on when you're watching this, it should still be good. The promo code is WWSummer21, and we'll put that down at the bottom of the screen. We'll also have that down in the description below and the link to GABE's Pride. Now that is going to be good for if you purchase the RV Everyday Essentials Kit and a bottle of the cleaner concentrate right here. So if you guys purchase those two things together, you can put in the promo code and that'll get you $15 off plus free shipping. Now the RV Everyday Essentials Kit includes the multi-surface cleaner, the window cleaner, the bathroom cleaner, a scrub brush, which is great for the bathroom shower track. We use that all the time. So go ahead and check that out. Put that promo code in. So if you guys do go to GABE's Pride website and say you don't want to buy the RV Everyday Essentials Kit, but you're interested in, say, their black streak remover or the RV streaker cleaner for the outside of the camper, you can still use our promo code, which is Why Wait, and that just lets GABE's Pride know that we sent you. So we definitely appreciate that. By the way, if you guys are Grand Design RV owners like we are, you may see GABE's Pride out there at all the Grand Design rallies. They try to go to as many of the rallies as you can. They're great, fun people. Go stop by, say hi, check out their products for yourself, tell them Why Wait sent you. Hey, we appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. As always, don't forget, get out there, start your full-time adventure, because why wait? We'll see you all next time.